I have a CO2 breathing exercise prepared for you with a power breathing, with a short burst of power breaths when we're gonna be squeezing so we can let all of that anxiety go out of our system. That being said, close your eyes, sit up straight or lay on your back. Slow everything right down. So subtle, so slow. And connect first into an exhale for about 4 seconds out of your mouth. And inhale for 2 seconds into your nose. Keep on exhaling deeper, then inhaling. And as you're exhaling, start letting your body know to relax, to let it all go in more control, with more awareness. Just stay with a subtle breath, because what we're gonna do next, we're gonna be increasing the length. Let's now inhale for 3 into your nose and exhale for 6. Inhale for 3. Exhale for 6. The key is we double the time. We double the time on exhale. And just do one final round before we head into a deeper breathing. The CO2 activating breath. Exhale. This time, we're gonna be breathing into your mouth and exhale out of your mouth as well. We're gonna inhale for 2, exhale for 4. Let's go. Keep on breathing and connect to those times when you feel that anxiety, and just continue taking charge of your body. Continue taking a charge of your nervous system, letting yourself know who is in charge. Come become the driver of your own vehicle again and just breathe. Let's go.